Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about white collar crime. White collar crime is very common phenomena in our society these days. Every day when we open the newspaper or watch any television news or on social media, we cannot but know about different types of white collar crimes. But we don't take seriously and most of the people don't know about these crimes. But in present the situation is different. So white collar crime is a crime which always committed by the person of higher social status and respectability in the course of his occupations. Unlike conventional or street crimes, white collar crimes is criticized by the high status of offenders, crime of the powerful. The white collar criminals are most middle aged men of responsibility and high social status. Now we talk about the different types of white collar crimes in our society. Number one is bank fraud. To engage in an act or pattern of activities where the purpose is to defraud a bank of funds. Next one is the blackmail. A demand for money or other consideration under threat to do bodily harms, to injure property, to accuse of a crime, or to expose secrets. Number three, bribery. When money, goods, service, information, or anything else of value is offered with intent to influence the action, opinion, or decision of the taker, you may be charged with bribery whether you offer the bribe or accept it. Next one is cellular phone fraud. The unauthorized use, tampering, or manipulation of the cellular phones or service. This can be accomplished by either use of stolen property or stolen phone, or where an actor sign up the service under false identification, on where the actor clone a valid electronic serial number by using ESN reader and reprograms another cellular phone with the valid ESN number. Next one is computer fraud, where computer hackers steal information source contained on computer, such as bank information, credit card, or property information. Next, credit card fraud. When we talk about credit card fraud, so the unauthorized use of a credit card to obtain good of value. And we also say that currency schemes, the unauthorized use of credit card to obtain goods or value, and the practice of speculating the future value of currencies. And next one is embellishment. Embellishment, when a person who has been entrusted with money or property appropriates it for his or her own use and benefit it. Next, extortion. Extortion occurs when one, we can also say that extortion, we can also read extortion in our IPC or in our CRPC. So when you talk about extortion, extortion occur when person illegally obtain property from another by actual or threatening force, fear or violence, or under cover of official right. Next one is forgery. Forgery, when a person passes a false or worthless instrument such as check or counterfeit security with the intent to defraud or injure the recipients. Next, insider trading. Insider trading, we can say that insider trading, when a person use inside confidential or advanced information to trade in share of publicly held corporation. Investment schemes, where an unsuspecting victim is connected by the actors who promise to provide a large return of small investment. And next, the most important white collar crime is tax evasion, when a person commits fraud in filing of paying tax. White collar crimes is different profession and other aspect. White collar crime is various information like doctors, engineers, lawyers, crimes of criminal, government officer, private corporation officer,